Okay guys, I just saw the first time the Pimax RE Edition, so we talked with Kevin Henderson and I had the chance to look at this. We couldn't try it because there was no PC and no cable and stuff, but I can tell you a little bit about it. So the material has changed, it feels more stable now. You can even drop it on the ground without destroying it completely. Also the heat is more spreaded. And they changed something internally in this headset, so yeah, the heat is more spreaded and not only on one side. And there will be 3 editions. The 5K Plus RE will be $12.99. The 8K RE will be $14.99, and the 5K OLED will be $15.99. That's it for now. And they are already experimenting with doing the inside-out tracking for this headset. That's very interesting. Also, they changed the cable so that it's thicker, and also the face foam will be replaced in the RE versions. And the cool thing is that you can also buy this equipment as a single piece, so for your standard version that even works. That's cool. And the versions will be out in the next couple of months, they said. And also we will get the prototypes of the head strap. So they said it will feel like the Deluxe Audio strap or something like that. And we can try it and then say it's good or it's not good, give green light or don't give green light. This is very interesting. So yeah, I will post another video of some detailed pictures later, or when I'm at home, I don't know. And yeah, we'll see that then. So that was a short first impressions of the Pimax RE versions. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.